It's racing time. We have runner number 6, Straight Path. Draws for your lead. Yanni Song right behind in second, Building Code. Moving up, Pintados. Big Bang is running in between runners. Moving up, yes, Kane Pure Joy is on the outside. Next in line, Sowing Boat. Then by the rail is entry number 7, and that's Action Sailor. Sun's World moving up on the outside in demand, second last. While Friends for Never is the tail-ender as they round at a 600. Yanni Song, Pure Joy moving up on the outside. Shuffle back in third, Straight Path, but not out yet as they race at a 450. We have 3 runners parting it out for the lead. Yanni Song in between runners. Pure Joy is Straight Path down on the inside. We have Yanni Song, Straight Path by the run. Pure Joy now moving up on the outside and grabbing the lead. Pure Joy takes up the running over Yanni Song, Straight Path with 50 meters. It's Pure Joy winning race number 2 over Yanni Song. Then comes Straight Path, Big Bang. Runner number 3, Pintados, Building Code for your Super 6.